Are you tired of dealing with separate washers and dryers, or just looking to save space without compromising performance? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best all-in-one washer-dryer combos available this year. These machines are perfect for small spaces, energy efficient, and packed with smart features. Plus, they're all designed to make your laundry day easier than ever. So sit back, relax, and don't forget, I've got all the links to these amazing products down in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 5. Danby 2.7 cubic feet all-in-one combo. This one's a compact beast, perfect if you're living in a tight space like a small apartment. At just 23.4 inches wide, it's small but mighty with a 2.7 cubic feet capacity. You can wash up to 27 pounds of clothes and dry around 17 pounds in one go. No need for a vent either, so installation is a breeze, as long as you've got a sink nearby. There's also an LED display, 14 wash cycles, and a stainless steel drum that'll last you a while. Plus, it even has a child lock and emergency door release for added safety. This unit is ideal for anyone seeking an affordable, space-saving laundry solution. Compact yet effective. Number 4. Whirlpool 3.2 cubic feet front-load combo. This is another space-saving solution. At 24 inches wide, it fits snugly into smaller spaces. One thing I love about this one is its flexibility. Thanks to the ventless design, you can install it just about anywhere. No external venting required. It features 28 wash cycles and 7 drying cycles, including options for delicates and bulky items. And with the wrinkle shield and tumble fresh options, your clothes stay fresh and wrinkle-free, even if you can't grab them immediately after the cycle ends. It's small but packs a punch for small households or apartments. Number 3. LG 4.5 cubic feet smart washer and dryer combo. This model comes equipped with turbo wash technology, cutting your wash time by up to 30 minutes. Plus, with the 6-motion technology, it's gentle on your clothes while still delivering a thorough clean. It also features a ventless drying system, perfect for apartments. What's really cool is the smart functionality. Just connect it to the LG Think app, and you can control the machine remotely. Though the drying times can stretch up to 3 hours for bigger loads, it's still a great versatile choice for smaller spaces. Number 2. GE Profile Ultra Fast Combo. This one's got a large 4.8 cubic feet capacity, so it can handle those bigger loads, including king-size bedding. But here's the real kicker. It can wash and dry your clothes in just 2 hours. It uses ventless heat pump technology, making it 50% more energy efficient than traditional dryers. Plus, it's smart-enabled, so you can track cycles, customize detergent use, and download specialty wash cycles straight from your phone. It's sleek, efficient, and perfect for anyone looking to streamline their laundry routine. Number 1. Samsung Bespoke Ventless Washer-Dryer Combo. This one is a laundry game-changer. With a massive 5.3 cubic feet capacity, it's perfect for larger households or anyone with big laundry loads. And it can wash and dry a load in just 98 minutes. That's lightning fast compared to most models out there. It also features a sleek design with smart controls. You can monitor and schedule laundry from your phone using the SmartThings app. And it even has voice control for hands-free operation. And the best part? It's Energy Star certified, so it's efficient and eco-friendly. The Samsung Bespoke delivers both performance and convenience in one neat package. So, there you have it. These are the top 5 all-in-one washer-dryer combos for 2025, each with its unique features to make your laundry routine more efficient and hassle-free. Whether you're tight on space, looking for smart features, or need something energy efficient, one of these models will fit your needs perfectly. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments which one you're eyeing for your home. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.